This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jana Denault. Annual rental. Spacious single-family home Delray Model floor plan is located at Naples Reserve, a 5-star resort. Amenities include a waterfall lagoon-style pool, lap pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, Latitudes Cafe, Tiki Bar, fire pit, beach volley courts, bocce courts, outrigger activity center, tennis and pickleball courts. This spacious home offers a 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms plus flex room/den/office, 2 baths. Screened-in Lanai overlooks a beautiful lake. Information contained herein deemed reliable but not guaranteed. For more information, review the details below or contact Jana Denault at 239-200-1990.